It's only been started. This will be the third time. Well over a year. 18 months. That's the Ute ball. Okay, there's a bit of a rescue. AU Falcon Ute. This is going to be a parts car for another 2 utes, but it's actually too good for that. Not minimal rust. God damn. It's a little bit rough under here. No power steering fluid. It's not making any noise. No coolant. Starts and runs. Actually runs pretty good. So yeah, do this up to my brother-in-law. Just needs a bit of love. Rust is minimal, it's a country car, a little bit here on both sides, a little bit there. Other than that, U-tub's just sitting there. So there was a tray back, I believe. But yeah, I've got all the parts to make it a one colour. Spare doors, guards, bumpers, all silver. There. As far as I'm concerned, if they're in this condition, they should all be fucking rescued, you know. Need to keep these things on the road, guys. They're the best workhorses you can bloody get. Not to mention there's a lot more you can do with them too. Yeah, should be good. Anyway. Well, that was fun. Managed to get the guards off, bumper, headlights. As you can see, not in too bad shape, but they're on colour. As I said, we got the silver. That's all we're going to do. Make it all one colour again. Nice. And yeah, like I said, rescue, repair and restore. That's what we're going to do. Get this back to some sort of decent shape. From what I can see, it's not... I'll vacuum all this out and have a better look, but I think rust, as far as rust goes, it's actually not too bad. Anyway, we'll have a better look. Definitely a little ant problem there, but we'll sort them bastards out too. Yeah. Anyway, not bad. Give it a good scrub, bit of a degrease, high pressure clean. It actually hasn't come up too bad at all. And there's no rust in there, which is really good. There's a couple of little tiny fucking surface. Oh, looking really good. Good clean inside, seats all look good, everything's there. 5 headlights, the panels. Another thing with this is, because there was a tray back, this tow bar got to take off and either put one that's meant for a tub or just leave it off altogether, because this is not going to work. Just hold the tub up. Yeah. Even got the old dicky seat. Very rare them now. Okay. It's got the proper forward rubber mat all the way through. So it's got the forward. Yeah. It's actually not bad at all. But yeah, this will be part 1. Look forward to part 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All that jazz. Cheers guys, bye. Yeah, got the seats back together and just loosely bolted in at the moment. The old dicky seat. It's actually coming up pretty good. Yeah, part 2 is coming up soon. Smocking up the guards, working out which bumper. So we've got 2, 3, blue one as well. This one's a big crack. And this one's got a couple of smaller cracks. One there. And that. This is probably the better one. I'll have to try to repair them. At least one. But yeah. From 2 different cars, the panels, the tub and the guards and that. But they match up pretty good. Alright. There's not too much rust, but it has got a been in a little praying. Let's see. This has all been out of shape here. And this has probably come down like a couple of mil. Not much. But we're going to whack the shit out of this See if we can straighten it back up. No, I think we can straighten that up pretty good. Anyway, we'll find out.
Putting the twisting pretty tight. Over here and this right.
Okay, give it a beating, we give it a twisting, we give it a bending. A lot better than I did before. See, that's what that side looks like. We've got most of it out. It's not pretty, but should be a lot better than it was. Just got a re-tack weld up here and this bracket. everything should line up again anyway. So the headlight wasn't that bad, but yeah, much better now. Yeah. Alright. Now have a go at repairing these bumpers. Track here. A little ding at the front. A bit of a practice on this one. See how that goes. Just a kit, and I'll leave a link in the description. Heat gun, and grinder with a flap wheel. Yeah, we'll see how we go. See how far we get. So yeah, go from there. I suppose that's the main problem, trying to keep it together. Fixed, and there's one of these too. I think it was this side. Snapped off. There was a hole. Heated it up with the heat gun, pushed it back out. Welded those little things in there. Come out alright. Yeah, it's actually starting to look like a ute. It's awesome.